to Grindstone Crabs.
What do we got today, guys?
We got Hot Wheels with cars.
So we've got Team Hot Wheels going up against Team Monster Jam.
And we have Megalodon car, and we have a monster truck Megalodon car, and we have so many.
Yeah, that's right. So this time we are going to add the cars into this competition. All right, so team competition again. So we're going to do by points. This time the cars are going to race down 6-lane Raceway, and the winner will earn a point for their team. And the monster trucks are going to drop down ThunderROARus drop, and they're going to go down this old Hot Wheels play set, this old ramp. So they have to make it into the gold cup. They have to at least land on the ramp, go into the gold cup, or pass the gold cup to get a point for their team. You guys ready?
We got a winner set right here.
Well, we better turn it on, actually.
Hot Wheels Racers, pick your lane!
All right, there we go. So let's meet our teams, okay?
Yeah.
First up for Hot Wheels, we have the Corvettes. So kind of a mismatch between our Corvettes here. We've got Skeletor.
Megalodon.
We've got Bone Shaker, Hotweiler, Loco Punk, Race Ace, Barbie, another Bone Shaker, but this time the original Bone Shaker. We've got Yoshi, Team Yoshi here, and we've got Team Toy Story with Buzz Lightyear and Woody. For Monster Jam, we have Fire Megalodon. We've got our duo packs for Monster Jam for the most part, but we did have to sneak in one sort of combination. So we've got Fire Megalodon here, we've got Bakugan Dragonoid, El Toro Loco, Son of a Digger, Grave Digger, Soldier Fortune, Lucas Oil Stabilizer, Blue Thunder, Monster Mutt Dalmatian, and then we have Batman. So Batman is actually a Hot Wheels car, but the monster truck is a Monster Jam monster truck. So let's get started with our car racing. So who's our first matchup?
Megalodon versus Loco Punk.
Go.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
So Loco Punk wins. Next race is Soldier Fortune and Yoshi. Go. Who's the next race? Lucas Oil Stabilizer against Woody. Go. All right. Lucas Oil Stabilizer won. No, Lucas Oil Stabilizer won. So your car won, Stels. So we got 2-1 right now. Next race, Skeletor versus Blue Thunder. Go. Blue Thunder wins. Race 5 is the Corvette against Monster Mutt Dalmatian. Go. Corvette won. Bone Shaker and El Toro Loco. Go. Bone Shaker wins. So after 6 races, we are tied up.
3-3.
3-3, that's right.
Son of a Digger versus Hotwheeler.
Son of a Digger and Hotweiler. Let's go. Son of a Digger wins that. What happened to Hotweiler there?
He just got like when he raced down, got.
Does he chomp away? Does he chomp away? Oh, he does. Oh, okay. That's funny. Next race, we've got the Barbie Corvette and Gravedigger. Oh, Barbie wins. Okay, all tied up again. Down to our last 2 races. Who we got?
Bakugan versus Race Ace.
Go. Race Ace wins that. Team Hot Wheels pulled ahead on that. Last race here for the cars. Got Batman and the Batmobile versus Bone Shaker. Let's go. Oh, the Batmobile's fast. Oh, the Batmobile's fast. Oh, the Batmobile's fast. Batmobile wins, ties it up. So we're all tied up after the cars race. Now for the monster trucks, racing down ThunderROARus drop and trying to finish in or pass the gold cup. Barbie's up first. There you go. There's a point for Team Hot Wheels.
I'm up with Gravedigger.
Oh, Gravedigger scores a point too. All right, Monster Mutt.
All right, Monster Mutt.
Monster Mutt scores a point. Who you got, Andrew?
Buzz.
Buzz Lightyear. To infinity and beyond.
Oh no!
Oh.
Oh no!
Oh! Buzz missed it. Buzz missed it. He went in infinity, that's for sure. We've got Fire Megalodon coming up. Oh, will he make it? Will he make it? Oh, he almost made it. Oh, will he make it? Will he make it? He didn't make it though.
Oh, he didn't make it.
Andrew is up with Bone Shaker.
Oh no!
Oh, what happened to Bone Shaker? He went sideways. Completely off of there.
And he has a bent. He has, watch, look.
Does he have a bent axle? No, I didn't think he did.
No, look. He had to do like this. Look. He had.
See, he would have made it had he landed it. Stella is up with Race Ace. Oh, you missed it.
Oh, this time then to do it.
So we're all tied up again. All right, Andrew, who you got?
Back to God this way.
Next for Andrew. Next for Andrew. Nice. There's a point. Point for Team Monster Jam. Stells is up with Hotweiler. Oh, Hotweiler made it. Andrew, you're up. Who do you got? You got the Corvette?
Yeah, oh no. Oh no.
Oh no! Oh man. Are we gonna have to substitute it with the other Corvette? I didn't even think about that. We got a last minute substitution. Here's a different Corvette. We're gonna have to swap out Corvettes. This one's got the disc wheel. It's not gonna grab on the ThunderROARus drop playset. So next up is the Corvette. There we go. There's a point for Team Hot Wheels. Stills, you got Batman?
Yeah.
Representing Monster Jam. Oh, it's a point for Batman in Monster Jam. Andrew, who you picking?
This bone shaker.
Oh, now we got the red bone shaker.
There's the Yoshi bone shaker.
Oh, he like just barely made it. That is really testing the rules right there. Do you think he scores a point?
Yes.
Stella's gonna go with Yoshi. Oh.
I'm gonna try again.
Stella wants to try one more time with Yoshi. Yoshi makes it. Andrew is up with Lucas Oil Stabilizer. There he goes. He made it. Stella is up with Blue Thunder. All right, Blue Thunder scores a point. So Andrew, you are up with Son of a Digger. Oh, nice. Finish backwards with some flips in there too. Stells has got Skeletor. Skeletor scores a point. Andrew is up with Soldier Fortune. Oh, off the side of the track.
Oh no!
Oh, So Stella, you're up with El Toro Loco. Here we go. Here we go.
Oh no!
Oh, just off the side of the track. Next up is
Loco Punk for life.
Loco Punk gets it. Gets a point. Loco Punk. So Team Hot Wheels wins by 1 point over Monster Jam in a very, very close competition today. Did you guys have fun today?
Yeah.
Yeah? You want to do something like this again?
Yeah.
All right, you want to say bye to the kids?
Bye.